Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make marshmallow dip in chocolate using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need one 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows, your favorite chocolate, and a small amount of heavy cream. Selecting good quality chocolate, whether chips or a chopped bar, will truly elevate the flavor of your dip. This recipe is perfect for a quick treat. Next, we'll melt the chocolate. Combine your chosen chocolate with 2 tablespoons of heavy cream in a microwave-safe bowl or a double boiler. If using a microwave, heat in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each, until the mixture is smooth and glossy. Be careful not to overheat the chocolate as it can seize. Low and slow is the best approach for a perfectly melted, rich chocolate base. Now for the fun part. Combining everything. Gently fold the warm, melted chocolate mixture into your mini marshmallows until they are evenly coated and slightly softened. This creates that irresistible gooey texture. Serve your delicious marshmallow dip immediately with an assortment of dippers like graham crackers, fresh fruit, or shortbread cookies. It's truly best enjoyed warm, right after preparation, for maximum deliciousness. Here are a few extra tips to perfect your dip. A tiny pinch of sea salt can really bring out the richness of the chocolate, adding a sophisticated touch. If you happen to have any leftovers, which is unlikely, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Reheat gently if desired. Also, for those looking to streamline their kitchen, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. They make meal prep and storage a breeze.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.